welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm going to be reviewing this really cool and very unique set of string lights because it's a string light slash rope light combination, and you'll see that more in a minute in the demonstration. First, I just want to show you what comes in the package. You do get the remote control to control these because they have three different temperatures: cool white, warm white, or in between. Also, you can set a timer. Also, you can have dim them or not. And then you do get a spare bulb, just in case you need a spare bulb. These are LED based, so these aren't bulbs that are going to go out on you anytime soon. And you can see you get this nice traditional looking bulb, and then this rope light here. There are little LEDs inside the actual cable between the lights. So you're not just getting these lights, you're getting lights in between. And you'll see that again in the demonstration in just a minute. And then you can see on the top here, each one of these lights has a nice place that you can hook these onto something or nail them to get them around your gazebo or your patio, however you want to hang them. You've got a method to do that above each light there. And then also at the end here, you do have a connecting cord so that you can connect. Let's see if I can get that off. You can, there you go. Just takes a little minute to unscrew it, and you see you can connect additional lights to it. So really cool product. So I know what you want to see more than anything else, to see this in action, and especially see the way that the cable lights up in between the lights. And that's really what makes this unique, and what attracted me to this product is the fact that you've got that cable in between each of the lights, so you get a really cool effect. So let's get the lights off and get these lights on so you can see them in action. So as you can see, these lights are awesome. Right now I have it on the warm white, and with the warm white you can see on that cable you have the little like fairy lights in between. So rather than having just a plain black cable connecting each of these lights, you've got those little lights in between there, which is really super cool. And now these lights, there's about 48 feet of length in these lights and 15 light bulbs. These light bulbs they look like glass, but they're actually plastic, so they're not going to be breaking on you easily. They are weatherproof and waterproof, so you got that as well. And just with those little fairy lights in between, just a really cool ambiance look. It just is, it's nice. It adds to the ambiance of the lights. Now, using the remote control, you can switch between the warm white, the cool white. Now, with completely cool white, you can see you have just the lights without the little fairy lights in between. And then there's a middle, sort of a combo between the warm, in between warm white and cool white. And there you have the fairy lights a little bit dimmer than they are when you're on totally warm white. So you've got those options. You can also dim these lights. So I'm going to put them at 100%. That's the brightest. And then 25%. That's the lowest. And then you got, anywhere in between as well. So you've got different brightness levels you can do. And you can also control those more incrementally with the remote as well. Now also, these lights have different modes. So using the button on the plug, you can go through several different modes with these lights. So let's put them in the warm white, and then I'm going to go through some of the modes. So first, when you click the button, it just takes you from warm white to the middle one, and then a cool white. And then you go to different modes. So here you can see, now it's kind of getting brighter and softer as it goes between those three colors. And then in the next mode, it's just jumping between those three white colors. And then you can turn it off. So you've got those options as well. If you want a little bit of a more, if you need some movement in there, maybe you're having a big party and lots of music, so you want something that's not just static lights, then you can get something, you can have it jump between those three modes or fade between those three modes. But otherwise, even when the lights are just on, just the fact that you have the little LEDs in the cable with that warm white tone to them, I think it just adds to the really overall aesthetic of these lights, and kind of separates them from other string lights you might have seen. So if you're looking for a really excellent, cool set of string lights for your gazebo, for your patio area, anywhere, you can't go wrong with these. They look good. They have various options. They have those little extra lights in between that just really kind of give them a unique look and give them a little bit more aesthetic appeal than your standard boring string lights that you've seen over and over again. So yeah, if you're looking for great ones, I would definitely recommend these. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. Know anyone who's in the market for something like this? Share this video with them. All those ways are down there. If you have questions, post it in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer you as quickly as I can. Don't forget to subscribe to my playlist or my channel, favorite this playlist, all that good stuff. Anyway, that's going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.